Mobile gaming has exploded in popularity, pushing the demand for smartphones that can handle the most demanding games. From casual gamers to competitive players, everyone is looking for devices that offer seamless performance and immersive experiences. No longer are we satisfied with laggy gameplay and dropped frames. The frustration of a slow phone can ruin the gaming experience, making it essential to have a device that keeps up with the action. We crave power, speed, and responsiveness. The thrill of winning and the intensity of competition demand nothing less than the best performance from our devices. This demand has given rise to a new breed of smartphones, gaming phones. These specialized devices are designed to meet the high expectations of modern gamers. These devices are engineered from the ground up to deliver an unparalleled mobile gaming experience. Every component is optimized for performance, from the processor to the cooling system. Gone are the days of settling for subpar performance. Gamers now have the option to choose devices that are specifically built to handle the rigors of intense gaming sessions. Gaming phones boast cutting-edge processors, lightning-fast refresh rates, and innovative cooling solutions to keep everything running smoothly, even during the most intense gaming sessions. These features ensure that gamers can enjoy their favorite titles without any interruptions. They are the ultimate weapon in a mobile gamer's arsenal. With these powerful devices, gamers can achieve new heights and enjoy an unmatched gaming experience on the go. One of the latest contenders to enter the gaming phone arena is the Red Magic 10 Pro. This phone is not for the faint of heart, packing a serious punch when it comes to performance and features. Nubia, the maker of the Red Magic line, has a clear understanding of what gamers need, and they've delivered in spades with the 10 Pro. From its aggressive design to its top-of-the-line specs, the Red Magic 10 Pro is a statement piece that screams gamer. It's a phone that's not afraid to stand out from the crowd and declare its purpose: to dominate the mobile gaming world. The Red Magic 10 Pro comes in two striking variants, Moonlight and Dusk. Each variant caters to a different aesthetic preference, offering a distinct look and feel. The Moonlight edition features a clean, almost futuristic white back, accented by subtle RGB lighting zones. For those who prefer a more understated look, the Dusk edition offers a sleek black finish with red accents, giving it a more aggressive and stealthy vibe. Both variants exude a premium feel, with high-quality materials and attention to detail that make them a joy to hold and behold. Section 4. Built for gamers, inside and out. The Red Magic 10 Pro isn't just about looks, it's designed with functionality in mind. Every aspect of this phone has been meticulously crafted to enhance the gaming experience, ensuring that gamers have everything they need right at their fingertips. The phone features a boxy design that might seem unconventional for everyday use, but proves to be a godsend for gaming. This design choice allows for better heat dissipation and a more immersive gaming experience. The flat edges provide a comfortable and secure grip, preventing accidental drops during those clutch gaming moments. This ergonomic design ensures that long gaming sessions remain comfortable and strain-free. But the real stars of the show are the capacitive shoulder buttons and the textured gaming switch. These features are specifically designed to give gamers an edge, offering precise control and quick access to essential functions. The shoulder buttons are strategically placed on the phone's upper frame, providing responsive and tactile feedback, mimicking the feel of console controllers. This makes the transition from console to mobile gaming seamless and intuitive. The textured gaming switch, when flipped, instantly transforms the phone into a dedicated gaming device, launching the Game Space app and optimizing the phone's performance for gaming. This ensures that gamers can dive straight into their favorite titles without any lag or interruptions. Section 5. Powerhouse Performance. Unleashing the Beast. The Red Magic 10 Pro is an absolute beast when it comes to performance. This device is designed to push the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, a chipset that sets new standards in speed and efficiency. The most powerful chipset available for Android smartphones. This ensures that every task, from gaming to multitasking, is handled with ease. This powerhouse is paired with an Adreno 740 GPU, delivering stunning graphics and smooth gameplay. A combination that can handle even the most demanding mobile games with ease. Whether you're playing the latest titles or running intensive apps, this phone won't break a sweat. But the Red Magic 10 Pro doesn't stop there. It goes beyond just raw power. It comes equipped with a whopping 16 gigabytes of RAM, making sure that you can switch between apps seamlessly, ensuring smooth multitasking and lightning-fast app loading times. No more waiting around for apps to open or games to load. And with 512 gigabytes of internal storage, you'll never have to worry about running out of space. You'll have plenty of space for all your games, apps, and media. Store your entire media library, download your favorite apps, and keep all your important files right at your fingertips.